Okay, we're at a prior customers that needs gutter helmet. Downspouts over on this side. This gutter's holding water there, but that end cap can come up almost 2 inches. That gutter was started pitched really low, so it's holding about 1.5 inches of water in there. We should be able to get it to flow. If for some reason we can't get it to flow, then we'd want to add a gutter around that little flat roof area with an outside miter on the far end cap of that existing gutter and let it go that way, but get the majority of it to go this way. This is we're looking at helmet and helmet heat in this area. We're looking at fascia mount helmet only on the flat roof back here. So this is a newer gutter. This is going to be a new gutter over here. I'm sorry. Gutter helmet, helmet heat with a new downspout 3x4. And then this is going to be a fascia mount helmet only. The gutter is down low enough to be able to accept that. And here comes the challenge over on this side here. We've got a downspout that's about 1/4 of the way down there. So we're going to replace this gutter, put a new gutter in, build this fascia out even with that end cap, and put a seam of the gutter in here. And this has got a natural pitch going down to that side there. And then underneath there, we're going to put a funnel on the existing and change that to a 3x4. So we'll have the main rear flat roof gutter delivering into the funnel, and then this gutter here will be delivering into there. And this will be helmet and helmet heat. We can run the helmet up to this point here, and then we'll run a flat cap with the wire just inside the gutter leading to that funnel and down that downspout. We'll go down there and take a look at it. Okay, so down here at the bottom we got the existing downspout that's forever been cumbersome, that we want to get it all to flow to that end cap over there. And obviously we got the natural pitch there, so what we're going to end up doing is remove this gutter, replacing it. We'll caulk the screw holes that are in the siding, remove that strap. This is the old heat wire that leads through here. We're going to end up probably with an exterior box here because there is a dedicated circuit power right here. We want to leave her a plug inside that she has in full-time power, and then a switch on the opposite side of that plug, so that way we can turn this on and off. And what we're going to end up having to do is we're going to build the fascia out only about 4 feet and almost bring that fascia at a bevel down to about here. I think it might be a good idea to take this aluminum off of here. So this is almost going to be a wedge in here because you can see the difference where the J channel is wedged also. And then what we're going to end up doing is capping that off with aluminum. We can actually put the aluminum over top of that J channel so the water's being diverted onto the siding instead of behind it. And then what we'll do is now that'll be built out even with that end cap, and we can seam that across the board, and since there's a good downhill pitch, that'll never leak on us. And then what we'll do is we'll just cap the top of that gutter without helmet, just a flat cap, but we got to run the wire in there. And I guess for aesthetics, yeah, no, we're gonna have to end cap it where we're stopping it, so we don't want any more gutter down that way. And what we'll do is we'll double B it here, and we'll take this other one and funnel that in, and then we'll end up with a 3x4 spout coming down there with extension with the wire. So the wire is going to go inside up to the funnel into the gutter there, and then weave on the helmet, and then we'll go pass up the valley. There's an old wire system we're not going to use. On this back, we got to find where we're going to get a power source. This flat roof gutter, you can see there's plenty of room up above that gutter for us to put a helmet on a fascia mount. We're actually going to end up connecting it right to the drip edge. We got a little bit of a challenge we're going to have there, but we should be able to do it. And then this is the gutter that we're replacing. We're going to put a 3x4 spout in there, bring this up over, and you can see the amount of room there is where this end cap can definitely go up at least 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches. So we shouldn't have any problem getting the water to flow to that valley. Her window, we want to take this aluminum trim off and see what we have for rottedness. If we can just cut this back to where the rotted part is removed, take this bottom sill off and put in a new window sill, or even reuse that and get it all re-nailed and resealed, we're going to want to do that for her too. The power source, we have to check with our electrician. I think we might be able to do a what do you call it off of there. If not, he's familiar with where this is, but we're going to want to get a whip down in here or bring it in the middle. we'll go over to the electrician as far as what's going to be the best place. We'd rather have it here. So even if we have to come through the wall down here with a conduit, that might be the trick here. But at least we won't have to worry about the power source on the rest. The front gutters have no leaves at all in them, so they really don't need helmet. But these do get filled up on the back. It's be a good one to come out in the winter and take a look at too when it's working.